You meet them every day, in classrooms, laboratories, offices, libraries, corridors, and coffee shops. They are your university professors and instructors. While there are many others who make Memorial the university that it is, it ticks differently from any other place because of its professors and their teaching and research. As a student, you move from class to class, but sometimes, doesn't it seem that you have to move too fast? In English, math, biology, or economics, you take in what you can. What about other subjects? Perhaps those you have not tried. What happens in a class in business, linguistics, or human kinetics? In any hour of teaching time at Memorial, there is a lot going on. So let's slow things down for a moment and ask some of those professors a few questions. Excuse me, why are you here?
I've got a philosophy class to teach her in a minute. What do you mean why I am here? I guess I'm here to try to figure out why I'm here, which means I'm still trying to figure out the answer to that question.
I'm here because I really enjoy the process of discovery. I love exploring the vast world of information and distilling it down into something that I can use to answer questions and ask new ones. And I love helping students do that as well.
I'm here to try and do some good in the world.
And me, I'm here because I feel like this is a way to contribute to the future. This morning I had a great class, the students brought in new ideas, and I could really see the spark there.
There's a freedom here to pursue new ideas, different ideas.
We went on asking our question, why are you here? And what makes you want to be here? These professors were not too different from each other in their answers. They broke down like this: freedom to ask questions and maybe find answers in an environment that supports continuous inquiry. The importance of being receptive to change. The world changes, and so do our understandings of it. Working with others who are similarly inclined, and especially working with students.
I'm kept puzzling because one answer always leads to another question. Things aren't definitive.
Life is just so strange and amazing.
Finding out the right questions. In philosophy, we don't always get hard and fast answers. We've been asking the same questions for the last 2,000 years. That doesn't mean there's no progress or that things are relative. I do believe there is progress and there are truths.
Other people keep me puzzling because of the way that they see the world.
So we thought, why not ask these professors to join together and put on a course? This is how the course came together. It is multidisciplinary, so 1 week you can expect to hear, for example, why a linguist asks questions of the world in the way that he or she does. And the next week, what a health professional has come to understand as the best strategy for coping with the urgent problems that are part of his or her working day. And you will think about why these things might matter to you. Even if it has never been part of your plans to study influences on patterns of speech or to work in an ER, there will be something each week that will resonate. Each lead session will be followed later in the week by smaller group meetings. In both formats, you will be experimenting with the ideas and the practices that our team of instructors has introduced. Your own contributions will be valued. There is plenty of opportunity for peer discussion and for feedback. Is this going to make you a better student? We hope it will, though we know some practices will work better for you than others, just as some ideas will grab you more than others. But for sure, we have plans to add to your skills as a problem solver. This course should make a difference to how you recognize, define, and tackle problems. It should help you communicate your ideas to other students and to your instructors, and carry the conviction that even if you don't have the solution, you have some of the answers that make the question raised worthwhile in the first place. Thinking of meaningful questions, we went back to the panel. What did they wish we had asked them?
I wish you had asked me why I like chemistry. For me, chemistry provides the right level of detail. It's hands-on, it connects to the real world, but it also connects us to the micro scale and the atomic scale.
What keeps me wanting to be here? I think that would have been my question. Being around the students, the colleagues, the climate, the people who are passionate about what they're pursuing, and the chances that those passions could last a lifetime.
You know, oftentimes when we're here at the university, people ask us, what do you want to do? Engineering, medicine, writing. I think you get a whole lot more interesting and richer answers if you ask people, who do you want to be? Who do you want to be in the world?